Hey everyone, today we're making zucchini pasta or zoodles. This is a great recipe if you're trying to cut out some carbs or if you're just trying to add some extra veggies into your diet. You will need a veggie spiralizer to make your zoodles, or you could actually buy already zoodled zoodles at your local grocery store as well. I used about 5 or 6 zucchinis for this batch of pasta. Again, it's really up to you how many you want to make. So once your zucchini has been spiralized into these long, beautiful spaghetti-like strands, heat some oil in a pan. Once that's heated, toss in some crushed garlic. This is actually some frozen pre-crushed garlic I made in another video actually. We'll add the link here so you can take a look at that. Cook your garlic for a couple of seconds or until it starts to get fragrant and starts to get just a little bit of color. Not too much though. You don't want it to turn bitter. Then dump in your zoodles. So the goal here is to get rid of all that water that is trapped in the zucchini. A ton of water in zucchini, so we're just trying to cook that out a little bit. Keep cooking until zucchini has reduced in size to about half and just starts to wilt and become softer. Next, go ahead and add your tomato sauce of choice. Make your own, store-bought, whatever, just as long as you like it, it's gonna taste great then. I'm using some of my mom's recipe of our homemade tomato sauce. Thanks, Mama, appreciate you. Pour that sauce in, incorporate, and season with some salt and pepper. Be sure to taste as you cook. 1, to make sure that your seasoning is good and on point and it tastes good to you. And 2, to make sure that the zucchini is not too crunchy and not too mushy. My batch is still a little too al dente, so I'm gonna cook it a little more. Also needs a little extra flavor, so I'm gonna add garlic powder here. You can also add in some other veggies if you want. Here I also added in spinach leaves for just some extra nutrients. Finally, add your choice of cheese. Mix until it's all melted and incorporated and delicious, and then serve it up. So this came out pretty good. I think it needs probably to cook a little bit longer for me, but overall, only took about 20 minutes from spiralizing to actually eating. Try giving this one a shot next time that you're wanting some spaghetti, and let us know how you like it. So don't forget to check out our website for the full recipe, plus more tips and tricks, and give us a follow on all of the socials. See you next time. Just a little.